It's right behind me! I need to keep moving. Why is it chasing me? I have done absolutely nothing wrong. Look at this. Why has the time orb turned completely black? I was just placing it on the pedestal. Everything seemed perfectly fine. Then it absorbed all the light! What is happening right now? This is so frustrating. I have to fix this mess. Leave me alone! Everyone, we must run now! Keep moving! Don't look back! Ouch! I can't get up! My leg is stuck under this root! This is it! Somebody help me, please! Whoa! What is pulling me up? Hold on tight. You are safe now. Who is she? She is the one who saved me. We have to move. Swing your arms. Follow my lead. This is actually pretty fun. Where are we going? My name is Zara. What are you doing in our dangerous forest? I'm Leo. My time orb broke, and I need help fixing it to go home. Our elder knows all the ancient magic. Come with me to the sanctuary.
Wow, this hidden tunnel is so beautiful. Where does it lead?
Step inside quickly. We must be very quiet here. We are here. This is where my people hide from the monster. Who are all these people? Why are they hiding underground? They have no food left. They are getting very hungry. Elder, I have returned. I brought a stranger with me.
Welcome, traveler.
I am so sorry. What exactly happened to your beautiful home?
Let me show you our past. Things were not always this dark.
The Guardian used to protect us. It fought away the dark invaders. It was very gentle. Our children loved playing safely on its back.
It was your protector? It protected the whole tribe perfectly. Look! The children climbed on it. Everyone, pretend to climb up.
Take cover! The Guardian is angry again outside.
Are you okay? We need to figure out what is wrong with it.
We must sneak up carefully. Shh! Be very quiet.
Look down there. It is ruining all of our remaining crops.
Oh no! My pocket is completely empty. Where is it?
Stop! You cannot go down there right now. It is too dangerous.
You are right. Let me check what is making it so angry first. Wait a minute. What is that thing on its neck?
Look! Someone has attached a metal block to it. That is the problem.
The sensor keeps flashing. It is giving the Guardian a terrible headache.
Poor Guardian. It must feel so confused and uncomfortable. We can fix this. If we break that metal block, it will stop being angry. Follow my path closely. We must not let it see us approaching.
It is so huge up close. We have to be really smart about this.
A dark rock? Or a shiny mirror? Point to the glowing one now.
Great job! The shiny mirror will reflect the sunlight perfectly. Steady! Keep the light right on target, Zara. It worked! The sensor is completely overloaded. The Guardian is stuck.
It cannot see us now. Everyone, please play the statue game with me.
Freeze right there. Do not move a single muscle.
I am holding it perfectly still. You need to hurry up, Leo.
The sensor is completely confused. I am going in right now.
Here goes nothing. Please hold tight, rope. It is secured nicely. I can totally do this.
Whoa! Here I come, Guardian! This whole valley is huge! Hold on tight! I made it! That was a really close call. The scales are very warm. Just a little further up.
Whew. I reached the top safely. Now, let us check this block.
It is stuck directly to the scales. I have to pull it off. Ouch! It gave me a little shock. Whoa! Stop shaking! I almost reached the machine. I cannot do this alone. I need your help, everyone. When I count to 3, we must pull together. 1, 2, 3. Pull as hard as you can. Ah!
You are doing great, Leo. Just a little bit more.
Ugh, I'm trying. Keep pulling. Whoa! I am falling.
Oof. Luckily, this grass is very soft.
I am perfectly fine. Hey, look up there quickly.
Wow, its color is changing completely. It looks so beautiful now.
You are safe now, my friend. I missed you so much. Everything will be okay now.
We actually did it! We solved the entire mystery together!
Still completely black.
Oh, my time orb. Wow, the magic is purifying it completely. It is glowing again. My time orb is finally fixed.
I can go home now.
Thank you for your help today. You really saved our whole world.
It was my pleasure. I will always remember this adventure, Zara. We made a great team. You saved the Guardian today. If you loved this adventure, please smash the like button right now.
See you next time, friend! Have a safe journey home, brave explorer.
So you managed to fix the problem. How very interesting. But it does not matter anymore. I have gathered enough data. You think you are so smart, little explorer. Enjoy your victory for now.
Because very soon, I will find out exactly where your spaceship is.
Ha 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 ha! You cannot hide from me. He has no idea what is coming for him.
Hey! Did you see that scary guy at the end? I wonder who he is. But I am definitely not afraid of him.
We need to stick together for the next journey. Are you ready?
Make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next episode.